Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, when I made this video, I didn't think I could get into the soup spectacular. I thought it was too late. However, I found out I still could. So ignore me in the video when I say I couldn't. Hope you enjoyed the video. So I don't usually do cooking videos. However, I wanted to get into this collab, but I had got into it too late. So I'm still going to show you how I cook my famous chicken and dumplings. So the first thing I usually do is, of course, undo the chicken. Here we have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Throw that away. I thought I had thawed chicken breasts, however, I thawed drumsticks, so we can still use that. Let's throw away the dirtiness here. Key, make sure you wash your hands. It is chicken. And the seasonings I usually use is granulated garlic, gotta have lots of garlic, black pepper, oh, wrong side, lots of black pepper too, some minced garlic, I know it will fall off, but it'd be good seasoning for the water and the broth. I know usually I put it in there too. And some sea salt. And I will use some rosemary also. I don't have any bay leaves, so we're gonna have to omit that. Roll it over. Let's do the other side, same way. And I almost forgot thyme. Whoa. Well, we're gonna rub that on there because we got quite a lot on there. And the water, I don't know if you guys ever tried this, better than bouillon. It's really good. It's better than bouillon cubes, and it's lower in sodium also. And I use half water and half chicken broth. We'll also use some of the same seasonings in the water too. A little bit more garlic. You cannot have enough garlic. Okay, so our meat's all seasoned, all ready to go. Now we're going to get the water and the broth started. So right here we have half water right now. We're going to put in some chicken broth. Kind of put it, I got water here just in case there's not enough in there once I put the chicken in. Throw away this. To bring over our chicken, just drop it in there. I may need some more water, but we're going to start out with this. No, looks like it'll be enough. I want to get all that yummy spices in there. I think I got just enough. I don't need any water. Better than bouillon. Spoon of that in there. I may need more, but we're just going to start out with that. So I don't need the extra water. So we're just going to bring this to the boil. And we'll come back. So for my dumplings, I don't make them homemade. I always made them with, I believe it's Hungry Jack or Grand's biscuits. I use 2 packs of those and 1 pack of this. Basically, all I do is roll them out. I'll do most of this off camera, but roll them out and I just cut them in strips. And I'm a very messy cook. I just tell you that. I think to clean it up for Mama, but in the condition she is, I'm gonna do the cleaning up. So you just do the same thing for all of them. I do have another one right here, Walmart off-brand, because they didn't have any more Grands. I'll bring you back once I get everything rolled out. Okay, so we pulled the chicken out. It is at a roaring boil still. Now we're going to go ahead and put our dumplings in. This is what they look like after I spent 3.5 hours cutting them. Just want to kind of make sure that they're not sticking together. So in the meantime, the chicken is cooling. Then I'll be able to break the chicken up. So I'll see you guys in a few. So as you can see, the chicken is still steamy hot. But I'll just cut it open so it can cool down a little bit before I stick my fingers in it and cut it all up. So as it cooled down a little bit, we're just go in here and just cut it up in pieces. And the dumplings are boiling. And we'll put this back in the water. Season it, and then we'll get a bowl. Yes, I use my hands. Of course, all the knives I got, and this one is dull. Okay, so the dumplings have been boiling for a while. We're going to check them. You need to stir the bottom. Dumplings will stick to the bottom. Sauce is thickening up pretty good. Put the chicken in. This is going to be hard to do. So now that this chicken in, we're just going to turn this down on low and just let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The chicken's already cooked. The dumplings need a few more minutes. Alright, there is the finished product. Don't know if I'm going to be able to. This is really hot. So that's my famous chicken and dumplings. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.